Hi, my name is Steven, and I just purchased a 2022 E-Class E450. Well, I've had several Mercedes before. I'm very fond of them. I always admired the E-Class, and from what my research indicates, it's a very, very good car. So I worked with Natalie Green. Awesome, very responsive, very knowledgeable. So yeah, it's been a good. I have purchased several cars here before, years ago. I was just driving in the area and I thought I'd kick a tire or two, and met her and ordered a car. So that's the only one I looked at, yeah. Well, they've always been great to work with, and relatively convenient to my home in Eden Prairie. It just seems like a good place to do business with. So.